Tired of marketing platforms that overpromise and underdeliver? Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of GoHighLevel and ActiveCampaign to help you choose the perfect weapon for your marketing arsenal. First up, GoHighLevel. This platform is the Swiss Army knife of marketing. It's designed for agencies and businesses looking for a complete solution, including CRM, landing pages, email marketing, SMS, appointment scheduling, and even a course platform. It's all under one roof, simplifying your tech stack, but can be overwhelming for beginners. Now, let's talk ActiveCampaign. This platform excels in email marketing and automation. It boasts sophisticated segmentation, personalized email sequences, and advanced automation workflows, making it a powerhouse for ML-centric businesses. However, it lacks some of the well-known features found in GoHighLevel. It is also not aimed at agencies. Let's break down the key differences. GoHighLevel's pricing starts higher, but it includes everything. ActiveCampaign offers tiered pricing depending on the number of contacts and features you need. GoHighLevel is ideal for agencies and businesses seeking an all-in-one solution. ActiveCampaign suits businesses that heavily rely on email marketing and advanced automation. So GoHighLevel gives you more for your money if you use the full suite of tools. Plus, it's great for agencies. The downside is the learning curve is more steep. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, provides in-depth email functionality, but does not have the depth of GoHighLevel. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs and business goals. Consider your budget, required features, and technical expertise. Which platform are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing comparisons.